Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at pound yen, as we could start to see some downside to this market as the price is breaking lower. Looking at the chart, looking at this 4-hour time frame, want to be looking for potential opportunities to the downside. Now, before I do that, what I like to do is run through, why I want to be involved with this market in particular. Okay, why do you want to get involved with pound yen? Well, the reason being why I'm looking at this market is because actually we've started to see some risk off enter the market at the moment. Okay, now we actually saw this risk off effect being pretty much shrugged off at the start of the week, assuming that I think the potential tensions between Russia and Ukraine would sort of fade. They haven't. We've seen extra reports recently talking about the invasion of Ukraine being pretty imminent. Some comments from Vladimir Putin have been quite interesting in terms of him talking about how he sees the sort of setup of Ukraine at the moment. So it's all actually pointing to the fact that we could start to see the invasion of Ukraine a lot more likely than I think the market's anticipated. So in those risk-off situations, what we typically see is stocks fall, and that's what we have been seeing today. The S&P, the Dow Jones, the DAX, the FTSE, all dropped to the downside, showing us that risk-off. Okay, now usually when this happens, the yen, okay, which is seen as a safe haven currency, strengthens. Okay, so why I want to be involved with pound yen in particular is because the pound has been quite weak recently. Okay, so the pound getting weaker and the yen could get stronger because of this risk off sentiment. So that's the reason why I want to be involved with pound yen. The next step is to look at the market from a technical point of view and identify how I could get involved with any kind of opportunities. Now, what I'm seeing here on this 4-hour time frame is sort of a large scale head and shoulders pattern, number one. Number two, what I can see is the market is making lower highs and lower lows. So that is an opportunity to start getting involved with an opportunity short. So first of all, the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern is just through here, where these previous structure lows are as well. So what I would like to see in order to start looking for opportunities short on pound yen is for price to break through these lows through there, pull back into an area of supply. So supply zone for me at the moment is the last bullish candlestick before a breakout of the lows. Now, I am preempting that this is going to be that last bullish candlestick. What we could actually see is price consolidate here, form a bullish candlestick, price breaks to the downside, comes back, retests, and that could be the supply zone that you look for. At this current moment in time, this is the supply zone to be watching, around about 156.30 up to 156.70. So if price in theory would pull back into this area of resistance, let's say we've made the new lows and price rallies back into this zone here, that area here would be where I'd want to see further selling opportunities in the market. Okay, so want to be looking for potential downside on pound yen. Reason being, starting to see risk off in the market, could see yen strengthen if stocks continue to decline. If they do and price forms a lower low here on pound yen, look for the supply zones for those short opportunities. Hope you enjoyed this video update. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to watch some more of our Forex trading content, and I will catch you in the next video.